hope you're having a good day. Oh, see, I'm baking over there. So let me take this out. So, I just want to come on here and say real quick. Yeah, my prints. So I just want to come on here and say real quick. I am getting a solid 4 days without printing. Hot, cold, in between. I'm getting a solid 4 days now with my new modifications. So I did some new setup. I did some new changes, some new installation stuff, and I'm getting a solid 4 days constantly, respectively. No problems, no issues. Just 4 days, no printing. I don't have to worry about my printer for no less than 4 days. Like I haven't had to do anything. My inks don't mix. Yeah, my inks don't pour together. You know, if sometimes you do the capping thing and it just the inks kind of mix together. No mixing of my inks. No nothing. My inks. I put my thing in there and I come back. Zero problems. I can just print. None of my inks. I don't have to print off the whites. I don't have to print off nothing just to get the colors right. Nope. Hit straight print. Prints perfectly. Every single time. I've been doing it now for since my last changeover, and that was about a little bit over a month now. So I've been having no issues whatsoever. Straight 4 days, no printing, no touching my printer. Don't have to do anything to it, and I'll get right back to work like nothing happened. Don't have to worry about nothing. I think one of the members of the group, she said she did the same thing. 4 days, and she just start printing just fine. But for me, I live in the cold weather, so I have to. Some people know if you print it on print within 3 days and it's cold, 2 days, you know, you're gonna have a clogged printer. She lives in a warmer climate, so they live in a warmer climate. So when they don't print, it's not really a big deal because the climate's warmer. But for us, living in colder climates, we got to worry about keeping our printer going. Well, I got that problem solved. My house is hot, my house is cold, don't matter. My printer will go 4 days and I can fire it right up and start printing. Like, I never stopped printing at all. Like, I think I did like 2 head cleanings because, you know, the ink in your lines start to settle a little bit. Not clogged, they just settle. The ink kind of floats to the bottom. You have to just kind of pump some of that out. But beyond that, start printing right off the bat. Start churning out prints. Just want to come out and say that. So my new modifications for setting up the printer, there's a couple more steps I had to do when I set up my printer. And my paper jam issue that I was having, solved that too. Not having that anymore. Modifications, baby. Gotta do them. If you don't do them, you're gonna have nothing but problems. Peace.
Step up your A game, step up your A game, or you'll be ashamed.